Inflammation is not always the enemy. That may sound a little surprising at first. For example, after strength training, tiny damage can occur in the muscle. At that time, temporary inflammation happens. This can be part of the natural process of repair and adaptation. The point is not to fear inflammation itself. The issue is when inflammation does not settle and continues quietly inside the body. Joint discomfort, fatigue that does not clear easily, changes in blood sugar or lipids, changes in the condition of blood vessels. With age, small concerns can start to appear more often. Chronic low-grade inflammation is being studied as one possible background factor. The relationship between senescent cells and chronic inflammation is also being studied and reported internationally. However, one number alone cannot decide a disease or a treatment. Looking only at the painful area may not be enough. Looking only at test items may not be enough either. That is why, at Cellforce One Clinic Tokyo, we begin by organizing the state of the body. Symptoms, lifestyle background, previous test results, blood tests, joint-related indicators, metabolism, blood vessels, oxidative stress, imaging tests when needed. These are reviewed together by a physician. The treatment is not decided first. First, we look at what may be happening. We organize the information that is needed. Then we consider what should be discussed next. The items to review before consultation are summarized on the confirmation page in the description. Please use the link as an entry point to organize the state of your body. Cellforce One Clinic Tokyo.